Hi, you're watching ENGLISHMANny channel, and today we are going to learn some new words. Say with me: tea, tea, coffee, coffee, juice, juice, water, water, pizza, pizza, jam, jam, bread, bread, yogurt, yogurt, fish, fish, meat, meat, a hot dog, a hot dog, milk, milk, a sweet, a sweet, a cake, a cake, jelly, jelly, chocolate, chocolate, ice cream, ice cream. Subscribe my channel and watch a new video every week. Have a nice day!